Okay, Keith here. Let's practice, huh? Let's go through the E pentatonic. Now, some of this should start to come a little bit easier once you're basically just moving the pattern. But let's go through them all, and then you can pick and choose which ones you want to practice every day. So this is E pentatonic. We're going to start here in first position. Now, the first open note is E, which really isn't in the pattern, but it is here. Then let's go quarter notes. Let's get a click going first while everybody's tuning up here. Okay. There's our click. So here we go. All down picks first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the last note there if you want, the E. Okay, so that's the first open position. Let's go up to the next one, all down picks. And of course, that's this caged position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go ahead and do the next position, which is going to be here, and it's over this one. Down picks. Try it again. Up picks. Down up. Okay, let's go up to the next position. Of course, it's going to be this one, the one everybody knows. 2, 3, 4. Down picks. Oh, I did it too fast. Quarter notes. Up picks. Try to get right on it. Up, down. Okay, last position is going to be this one. 6.